Hi everyone. If you want to edit photos on your Redmi 17C and improve your pictures using built-in tools, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you step by step how to edit pictures on Redmi 17C and use photo editing features quickly and easily. You can crop photos, adjust brightness, apply filters, remove unwanted parts, and make your pictures look much better directly from your phone. Many Redmi users don't know how many editing tools are already available in the Gallery app. But these features can make photo editing fast and simple. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you useful tips and hidden photo editing features on Redmi 17C. Let's get started.